Hi, I'm Habib. On this channel, I share practical tips to help you grow your virtual assistant career and work from home with confidence. Best free tools every virtual assistant must know. Work smarter from home.
Want to save hours of work, stay organized, and impress your clients as a virtual assistant? In this video, I'll show you the best free tools every VA must know and how they'll make your work easier and more professional.
Tool 1, Google Workspace. Docs, Sheets, Drive, and Calendar. These are essentials for almost every client. You'll use them to manage documents, track spreadsheets, schedule meetings, and share files. They're free and cloud-based, which makes collaboration simple. Tool 2, Canva. Need to create social media graphics, flyers, or presentations? Canva makes design easy with drag-and-drop templates. Even if you're not a designer, you can produce professional work quickly. Tool 3, Notion. As a VA, staying organized is everything. Notion lets you create dashboards for tasks, clients, and deadlines, all in one place. It's flexible and powerful for project tracking. Tool 4, Trello. If you prefer visual boards, Trello is perfect for project management. You can drag and drop tasks, assign deadlines, and collaborate easily with clients. Tool 5, Zoom. Communication is key in remote work. Zoom is the go-to platform for client calls, screen sharing, and online meetings. Most clients expect you to know it. Tool 6, Grammarly. Your emails and documents reflect your professionalism. Grammarly helps polish your writing by catching grammar errors, typos, and even tone, so you always sound professional. Here's a quick tip. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to master every tool. Start with 2 or 3 that match the services you offer, then add more as you grow. Now you know the top free tools that can help you work smarter as a VA. Which one will you start with today, Canva, Notion, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more virtual assistant tips.